Hello! Today we're unboxing and setting up the Tuya Black Camera X7, a sleek hidden security solution with smart home integration. Inside the box, you'll find the Tuya Camera X7, the power cable, the manual, simple and ready to go. First, connect your camera to the power using the included USB. When powered on, you'll see the indicator lights start to blink. Now, grab your phone and download the Tuya Smart Life app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and log in or create an account. Once inside, tap the plus icon to add a new device. Add device, and then select camera and lock, and then choose smart camera Wi-Fi. Should follow the instructions to connect to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. This camera does not support 5 GHz. Then, now, we're going to select the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and enter the password to configure the wireless camera. Should enter the password, confirm and proceed, and then the app will display a QR code. Hold your phone about 15 cm in front of the camera lens until you hear a voice prompt confirming the scan. That's it. I hear the prompt. Then done, since it's already found. Then once connected, you'll see your live feed. Tap the settings icon to adjust motion detection, night vision, and other preferences.
Hello.